She didn't even notice. All by herself. All by yourself. Hey! Hi, sitting by yourself. You're not even touching her, are you? Hi.
Where you going? It's about the food. It's about the food. Look, bounce. I like the food. Hi there. What did you dug yourself into?
That's pretty amazing that she can do that, though. She's going from like almost sitting into a whatever this is. All right, I think we'll say good night. All right, bath time.
You got yourself all worked out.
Oh, night. Hi.
What's in there that you so like?
Is that your pillow? Okay, all right. Good night, Naya. Say bye. Bye, Nai.
Look.
Nai. Bye. All right.
There you go.